1. Opportunity for reflection. The first benefit is that being alone is an opportunity to think deeply about life, about our social connections, or about our jobs. We're basically taking a break from public life, which is often busy and doesn't leave much room for us to reflect. When we're temporarily disconnected from the outside world, we can gain new insights. We're more influenced by the herd than we think, and some time away from them can be very beneficial when it comes to discovering our authentic self and pave the way for self-realization and to, how Nietzsche put it, become who we are. As Saidi Sherry Burke Carter wrote in an article on Psychology Today, when you're part of a group, you're more likely to go along with what the group is doing or thinking, which aren't always the actions you would take or the decisions you would make if you were on your own. End quote. In solitude, we can reflect on our past choices and actions and look at our life from a different angle. Creating a journal is a way to keep track of the thoughts that come to the surface when the dust of our hectic and complex lives starts to settle.